Here's how to fix if your Android phone randomly vibrates. Now, if you're just walking around or your phone's in your pocket and it randomly vibrates even though no one is calling or no notifications, I'll show you how to fix it. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. Really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, the first thing we'll do is swipe up from here and tap on Settings. One culprit is the notification settings. So let's scroll down from here and tap on Notifications. And then we'll tap on Advanced Settings towards the bottom. Once we're on here, you'll be able to see towards the bottom is Repeat Notification Alerts. If I tap on this, essentially what this means is it will constantly repeat alerts for a bunch of different apps if I don't recognize or don't open those. You can see it will also vibrate at the very bottom. So I'm just going to turn this off so that this isn't the culprit, that you got a notification and it just keeps vibrating over and over. After I've done that, let's go back out of here and go back to the beginning and then tap on Sounds and Vibration. Now from here, on here, you can see a bunch of information. You can see call vibration, notification vibration. You can tap on notification vibration. And now on here, one option is just to turn this all the way back to the very basically bottom, and you can mute this. This is a bit of a band-aid fix because this disables all vibration for notifications, but it doesn't help you identify why those random vibrations are coming through. One option that you have is to swipe down from the left here and to see what those actual notifications are that are popping up in your notification center. You can always tap and hold on any of these notifications and tap on the gear icon. And depending on the specific type of notification, you can turn off the sound and vibration, and you can just choose to have an app icon badge, etc. You can always turn these off so that it doesn't vibrate when you get those notifications. However, let's say it doesn't pop up with anything on here either. Another option is to go back into your settings, and we'll go back to the beginning here. And from here, we'll scroll down to the very bottom and we'll tap on Software Update and Download and Install. You'd be surprised how many times just updating your phone to the latest version of Android fixes a lot of bugs and glitches on your phone. The last thing I would recommend doing is going back out of here. And then we'll go to General Management, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Reset. From here, all you need to do is hit the Reset All Settings and bring all of the settings on your Android phone back to the factory default. This a lot of times fixes bugs and glitches on there. And while you're doing it, you can tap and hold on the side button here and just hit the Restart button to restart your phone, and you should be good to go. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the like button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.